Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love a good fidget, you are going to be completely obsessed with this one.
When MAKWEN made this fidget, they completely understood the assignment. It is the most satisfying thing to fidget with. If you like a loud noise or a soft noise, you can do both with this. You can apply this dampener, which brings it down, or leave it as is, which makes this great loud noise almost like playing with a lighter. I have loved playing with this. You can change up all of the different ways that the magnets are on here. I have found it has been so helpful to keep me from getting distracted. I actually really loved playing with it while I was driving to keep my hands from trying to grab my phone. There are so many options of the way that you play with this because of the way that it is made with these magnets. It has just been such a satisfying toy.
I have been bringing this little fidget with me everywhere. I am completely obsessed with it. And if you are in the market for a new fidget, I highly recommend getting this one. And that's my point of view.